Hey guys, today we got another Hot Toys unboxing. This time it's Superman from the movie The Justice League. Now, let's get him out of the box. Here he is with everything he comes with. It's not a lot, but it doesn't need to be because he's Superman. Here are the optional hands he comes with. The details in these are amazing and you'll see more up-close photos in a second. He also comes with this amazing alternate head sculpt with laser vision. We'll look at that in a second also. Thing is absolutely incredible. And now, let's take a look at the figure itself. Here he is, Superman. If you have questions about the cape, I'll cover that in a second. It is not the cape that comes with the figure. Look at the details in that face. It looks just like Henry Cavill. So amazing. Now, let's take a look at that alternate head sculpt. You just pop off the head. I already had it detached for the video. And then you just take the alternate one, line it up, apply pressure, pops into place. And here he is with the alternate head sculpt. I'm having a little trouble getting him to stand on his own in the light box, but not a problem. Oh, did I forget to mention it lit up? Now, let's check out the flight base he comes with. I absolutely love this figure, and the poses are so easy. If you've seen my Batman video, you know I'm not a huge fan of Hot Toy capes, so I removed this one and installed a custom wire cape. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.